Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to change wallpaper on this laptop. To do that, right click in any empty space of your desktop, select personalize, then go to background, open this tab, and then you can choose one of these options by expanding this list. For example, the picture option lets you put a single picture on your screen. You can either use one of the recent ones, which are either your recent backgrounds or standard Microsoft images, or you can browse photos by clicking this option right here and then find a photo in your in your file explorer, and you can also choose a fit for your desktop image by expanding this list and selecting the fit that fits you the most. You can also go with the solid color as your background image. You can choose one of the default colors or select a custom one by clicking view colors next to the custom colors option. Here you can select, you can adjust your color and click done. The third option is slideshow, and in order to put a slideshow on your background you have to select a picture folder by clicking browse and then selecting one folder from which you want to take pictures for your slideshow. You can also change the frequency of the images changing by expanding this list and selecting the value that fits you the most. You can shuffle the picture order in your folder by switching this toggle to the right, and you can also let the slideshow run even if your laptop runs on battery power by switching this toggle to the right. You can as well choose a fit for your images by expanding this list and selecting one value from it. And the last option is Windows Spotlight, which puts a random image on your background every once in a while. And you can learn about the picture that you got on your background by clicking this option right here, this file right here, and then learning about the picture that you got on your background. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.